Hey friends, welcome back to Self Talk Sunday, where we reset our mindset for the week ahead. Today's thought comes from James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits. If you haven't read that book, it's very good. But every choice you make is a vote for the kind of person you want to become. So think about that. Every time you sit down to a low-carb meal, you're casting a vote for the future you. Healthy, energized, confident. Every time you take a walk after dinner, that's another vote for longevity. And yes, every time you say no sugar, you're putting another tally mark in I respect my body column. Now here's the important part. No single vote decides the outcome. One slip, one missed workout, one indulgence doesn't erase your identity. What matters is the collection of votes over time. The more consistent you are, the more you reinforce, this is who I am. So instead of asking, did I do it perfectly today? Ask, what kind of person am I voting for to become with this choice? It's not about perfection, it's about direction. And the good news is you get a fresh ballot with every decision. So this week, I want you to remind yourself, I'm casting votes for the strong, healthy version of me. Let that self-talk guide your choices because discipline isn't about punishment, it's about identity. And you're building yours one decision at a time. I'll see you tomorrow for Macro Monday.